What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address linked to your Supercell ID. And the good news is you can do it directly from inside the game. First, make sure you have access to a new email address you want to use. This can be a brand new email or one you already own, but it must not be connected to another Supercell ID. Next, open the Supercell game that's linked to the Supercell ID you want to change. Once the game loads, go into Settings and tap on Supercell ID. From there, tap the cogwheel icon to open Supercell ID settings. You'll see your current email address displayed. Now, tap Change Email next to your existing Supercell ID email. Supercell will ask if you still have access to your current Supercell ID email. If you do, select Yes. A verification code will be sent to your current Supercell ID email. Open that email, grab the code, and enter it in the game when prompted. If you're not receiving the code, double-check your spam folder or make sure you're using a supported email provider. After verifying, follow the on-screen steps to enter your new email address and confirm it. Once completed, your Supercell ID will be successfully linked to the new email. If you don't have access to your old email anymore, you'll need to contact Supercell support to recover or change the account manually. One last thing to know, there's no limit to how many times you can change your Supercell ID email, as long as you can verify ownership each time. And that's it. That's how you change your Supercell ID email quickly and safely. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.